Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am showing you this deep wine matte eyeshadow look. Simple, easy. You guys voted for it and now you guys got it. If you have any other video requests, just leave them in the comments below. I'm going to start off with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden, and I'm going to start dabbing this on my eyes and blending it out with my fingers. Now I'm going in with my Smashbox The Hood Witch Cover Shot Crystallized Eyeshadow Palette. And I forgot to show you, but the color I'm using is the Energy color out of this palette. And it is that deep wine matte color, which is the star of the show. And all I do is I first opened my eyes and did a little dot right there where you see me making a crease. Since I do have hooded eyes, making your own crease helps where you can actually see the color you're putting on with your eyes open. If you have hooded eyes like me, if you was to follow your own crease, you would lose the color entirely. You wouldn't be able to see it. So that's why I create my own crease by opening the eyes and putting a dab right there on the crease line, the fake crease line I'm making, and then I kind of carve it out like you see here and fill it in. And now I'm using the ColourPop the Zodiac palette from Kathleen Lights, and I'm going to use this transition color, and this is the color Taurus. And all I'm doing is going right above that Energy color, and I'm just basically trying to blend it out with this transition color and blending the two colors together. Now I'm going in with the Pixi Lash Booster Mascara, and I'm going to coat my top and bottom lashes and prepare them for the falsies that's coming soon. Now I'm going to be using these Ardell Wispy lashes, and I'm going to be using my Kiss Lash Strip Lash Adhesive, and I'm going to apply my false lashes. I will say I did cut these the length I needed them before filming this part, so just to let you know, if lashes are giving you a hard time, maybe you should cut them down if you have smaller eyes like I do. And it also helps me personally if I blow on them for a little while. The glue, when I put the glue on the lash band, I blow on them for about 10 seconds, and then I try to put the inner the inner corner of the eyelash on first, where I really want it close to the eyelash line, as close as possible, and then I kind of try to pinch them in with my real lashes all the way down to the end, and just keep playing with it until basically it is like the way I wanted it. So I did go off camera for a little while after that and applied all my face makeup. Then I'm going back and I'm touching it up with that same mascara, just because the powder kind of blanked out my bottom lashes, and I just got a little bit of powder on my lashes, so I just coat it a little bit more with that mascara. And then I'm going back with that Energy Deep Wine Matte eyeshadow, and I'm putting it on the lower lash line, and I'm also going to use the opposite side of that brush to blend it out. And I'm not trying to be really neat and precise. It's supposed to be a smoky look, and I kind of like the not so perfect type of smoky. I did use my setting spray off camera and some other products off camera, but that's pretty much the finished eyeshadow part of this makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this deep wine matte eyeshadow look. If you have any more suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time.